the 4 screws are out. Put them somewhere where they're going to roll off and piss you off later when you can't find them. And remove this. And then clean, clean, clean. Step 2, remove Mr. Door via 1, 2 screws. That's 1 and 2. Mr. Door. Removing Mr. Door. Step 3, remove this screw and this screw, opposite of the door. And just like that. Just like that. And the door is off. Here. This one you can see is rusty, pretty rusty. This screw here was in there. Couldn't do it with a screwdriver, so I had to use a drill bit. Sorry, a bit. Of course, I couldn't find one that would fit in here without having to go to barn, so I had to redneck this one, you know, put it in and do the thing, but it works. It all works. Okay, so now we're supposed to be able to just fold this down. See if there's any truth to that. Bada bing, that's it. And there's the guts. Some electronics. A motor back there. So the reason I'm taking this apart is because one of these lollygaggers fell off right there. A lot of salt in this water at this house, so it eats the screws. So now there's supposed to be just this screw here, I think I have to undo. And this screw here, and that's going to allow me to fold the top. Let's see if there's any truth to that. We're supposed to be able, here's the bolts, 8mm. Now we're supposed to be able to flip it now. Oh yeah, always make sure the machines are unplugged before you work on them. Always make sure you do that. And that's the top. This was pretty grimy, I had to clean it as best I could over there. And well, that doesn't really help your dad. Have to repair that. So look, I'm going to have to release the spring. This cable that goes around, like the aircraft cable. These clippies. Anyways, I'm going to think about it. But that's disassembly. Shouldn't have to go much further than that to do anything. Okay. Look at that, concrete for the weight. Cool. Thanks for watching. Okay, so to get this front piece off, we got 1, 2, 3 on each side, that's 6. Probably this one and this one. This here. This green was just loose. I guess it's some kind of moisture sensor. Oh. And then this. Like that. And then this, like that, and like that. And then this one. Come on, like that. Okay. Now for the bolts. So I disconnected these two here and here. And this is actually ready to, the white plastic is ready to come out. I could take it out fairly easy. But I'm also going to undo these two that I showed you earlier. Hopefully to allow more room when I try to pull the drum. But if you just wanted the white, you could stop here. If you just wanted the white off. In order to pull the white out, you also got to take this out. This rubber handler here. This rubber here. So I think I'm going to go with this, remove, and see what happens. This has also got to come off here, so I'm going to undo this and pull it off ahead of time. And that wire can stay, so I'm just going to undo it right there, and that whole wire can come with it. So now I got this disconnected, this here disconnected. Now I got to work on squeezing this. This here will allow me to remove this. Well, not totally remove it, but get it out of my way. And then maybe I could even reach down in there and undo this one as well. And there's the belt. Awesome. Keep on keeping on. There's a hatch here with 4 more little bolts, this time smaller than 8mm. And that'll give me access to see the belt. 4 backdoor bolts. Here's the pulley. It looks like an impeller screw on a pump, so I'm assuming that's holding that pulley right to that inner shaft, so that's going to have to probably come out. There's your motor down there with another little tiny pulley on it. And a couple little shock absorbers here, in here. Little pump there. Put that there, I can squeeze there. Where am I showing you again? There, I can squeeze to get that one off. And there's metal shavings, but from... Okay, so we got the pulley off, and regular threads. Underneath the pulley here's like a spline, and then there's this like, and I'm assuming I got to turn this out, that it's threaded, and there's probably like a bearing packing in here, like a pump bearing housing, probably maybe at least 2 bearings, 1, 2 or something stacked. And then this is like the don't want to say gland nut, but like a lock nut basically, to keep the bearings in place and everything. Once that's out, the drum should pop out at the front. Just want to show you that I got the we got the rubber off. Right, the rubber's right here still, part of the door, or the white part, sorry, that I showed you earlier. Then there's this ring that was held on by those clips that I showed you earlier, and it goes all the way around. So now once the bearings are done at the back, I should be able to pull the whole drum out, and then I should be able to refasten all these sons of bitches. Okay, so yeah. Some things are just a little bit overcomplicated, eh? Ciao. Not gonna work? I know what you're saying.
I have to sharpen it more.
Son of a bitch. Want me to take it back out and sharpen it?
Otherwise it doesn't.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're saying. Maybe not. Looks like... What do you want me to do? Hold something? I'm just giving you the light.
This is... See, it doesn't stay. I have to go to sharpen.
So without a specialty tool, we kind of gave up on trying to undo this. It might even be Preston. Oh, I don't know, because I'm an electrician, not a mechanic for friggin' wash machines. But anyways, we gave it our all. We made a cool tool, but unfortunately it wasn't working. So I was looking around, getting desperate. And the whole problem is that these little fingers here. So this one came right off. That one's loose. So what I've found now is I can get my hand under here just enough to get the screw in. You see there? So this is right here. I got a little hand, so my hand fits in. And then I got a tool like this. Milwaukee. This is an excellent tool. And it's this obviously rotates in it, and it works great. Fits in there just perfect. So now get to the back one. I need an extension. And this is Mr. Extension. And I'm going to just drive them home. Here's the screws that were in it originally that break, that rust out. That's all I can find. The other ones hopefully went down the drain and didn't screw the pump up. It shouldn't. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to work. So, one screw started loose with this. Now I put the second one. I gotta go down to where I'm working.
I can't really get there.
Now I'm gonna need you to hold the drum.
Yep.
Can you push the blade into place so it doesn't move? But you could do that that's the same hand that holds the drum.
Yeah. I think that's the right spot.
That one the hole. I don't know if I'm in the hole or not. It's impossible to know. I have to do both. It's the only way I know if I do both.
Sorry.
Stupid, this is fucking stupid. I need something to build up for my head.
Okay, can I turn this off?
Yeah. Yeah, to hold the drum bit. You getting tighter?
Yep, it is. Good. Oops.
Can't be good.
Why not? Well,
Is it good?
feel it.
Fucking hell. Okay, so where's Mr. Loose Face? Okay. I think this one's got to come out and then get the same thing done to it too.
Sorry, was that my fault?
No, there's just no friggin' room, right?
Did it come? Oh, yes it did.
So say, Robert, you gotta do it 2 more times.
Okay.
Put the belt back on, you gotta loosen this one. You can see this is slotted. And now the motor has some rotation. So I'm gonna install the belt. Just like that. Now we tighten this back up. Right there. Tighten her back up.